like I'm on turn 4 NASCAR Daytona 500 here. These people are crazy. They just went 3 wide on this 2-lane highway. Whew. Man alive. I'm up early this morning. My customer's starter came in and I promised him I'd come straight over and put it on. I got 2 calls booked for today. And it's like, man, I'm booked up for the rest of the week to where I won't be able to get to it. So I told him, I said, look, you'll have that mower out there where I can get to it at 8 o'clock in the morning. I'll be there to install that starter. So I got myself up an hour early. And I'm about 15 minutes away. And I'm running late. And I got people driving like maniacs on this road today. A 4-lane highway with a median in the middle. And they just went 3 wide trying to get around me. And I'm running the speed limit. Did some. Anyway, we're going to go over here and change the starter out on this MTD Yard Machine. And that's what we're going to do today. That's where we're going to get started. Then we got to go do a diagnostic on a Craftsman ride mower. And then go by and take a look at a pulling lawnmower that's built the same fashion as this Craftsman. Neither one of them will start. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna let you go. I'll pick you up at the starter install later. No, you want to. Go ahead and smash the like button, ring the bell, subscribe. Subscribe. Get that ATV. Yes, sir. It comes up. Yeah. You had no sooner texted me and I told you no, it hadn't come in yet. That UPS driver come driving up in my yard. It was kind of late, so I wasn't expecting him. Usually they come early in the afternoon.
Trying to bug you about it.
Oh no, I'm.
Well. No, it hadn't showed up yet, and I'm sitting up there going, yeah, well, that'd be about right.
I was proud because tomorrow I'd be in Lufkin. don't do as I do. Disconnect that battery.
Building this anywhere we can.
Oh, they get in some ungodliest places too. Dirt daubers.
Lawnmower ain't gonna know what to do. New start,
Yeah.
new deck, everything else.
It might be a little shock on its system.
Yep.
All right, let's see. No way, bro. Yeah, my glasses are gonna fog up. Okay, you can relax now. Alright, you relax here. Put this back on. I don't know why I even took that off earlier. Some of them you got. Some of them you got to remove that, some of them you don't. I have such a habit of removing them.
Better to have it all out of the way than have it in the way and have them removed.
Yes, sir. Right there. Thanks, man, with all these power tools that have a Phillips head screwdriver bit. Oh, it used to be the most common thing used, but not anymore. Ooh. You got some?
No, I don't have any for those.
Man don't own any motor oil. It changes oil.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now is changing the oil out and everything. Brought that boy that's over on 19.
Can you ever find him there? I mean, it don't take just a minute to change oil.
Yeah. Found so many problems with it, what he fixed and everything
I mean, it don't take just a minute. I mean, you can change your own oil.
Not the only place that carries it.